Termite infestations are a common problem in many homes. Termites can cause significant damage to the structure of a home, and they can be difficult to detect. In this video, we will discuss how long it takes to complete a termite inspection, an important step to prevent termite damage. A termite inspection is a visual inspection of a home or building to determine if termites are present. During the inspection, the inspector will look for signs of termite activity, such as termite wings, mud tubes, and damaged wood. The inspection may also include the use of specialized tools to check for hidden termite activity. The length of time it takes to complete a termite inspection can vary depending on the size of the home or building and the level of termite activity. On average, a termite inspection takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour to complete. However, if there is extensive termite damage or the home is particularly large, the inspection may take longer. Termite inspections are an important step in preventing termite damage. By detecting termite activity early, you can take steps to prevent further damage to your home or building. Regular termite inspections can also help to identify conditions that may attract termites, such as wood-to-soil contact or moisture problems. In conclusion, a termite inspection is an essential step in protecting your home or building from termite damage. The inspection usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, but may take longer depending on the size of the home or building and the level of termite activity. Regular termite inspections can help to detect termite activity early and prevent further damage to your property. Click the link below for more information.